How can I start speak English or how can I start learn English? By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to start and improve English language. So let's get into the video. Starting to learn English can be exciting and rewarding. Here's a step guide to help you to get started effectively. The first one is set clear goals. Decide why you want to learn English, whether for work, business, studies, or personal growth. This will keep you motivated. The second one is start practicing, start speaking, practicing. Yes, you heard it right. Try to speaking English conversation, even it's just with yourself. The more you speak, the better you will get the result. So, in 2025, start speaking, practicing. This will keep you more and more motivated. The second one is listen to English. Yes, you heard it right. Try to listen simple podcast, watching TVs, English movies or YouTube contents. This will help a lot that how people speaks in real situation. So, in 2025, if you want to improve your English language, try to listen more and more English. The third one is reading. Yes, you heard it right. The more you read, the better you will get the consequences. So, try to reading notebooks, simple storybooks or textbooks. Keep a notebook and write down 10 new words daily. This will help a lot to improve your English language journey. The next step is use language apps. Yes, you heard it right. Using different language apps in 2025 like Duolingo, ChatGPT or AI. This will help a lot to improve your English language journey. The next is learn common vocabulary words on daily basis. Yes, learn common vocabulary words or phrases daily and try to making flashcards because flashcards are very helpful to improve your English language journey. The next is be consistent. Yes, you heard it right. Set an achievable goals and practicing more and more daily basis and try to speak English conversation and immerse yourself in English content. This will help a lot and be consistent and efforts more and more because the more you effort the better you will get the result. The next step is record yourself in English. Yes, you heard it right. Record yourself and listen to it and always record yourself and maintain your clarity. Record yourself on daily basis. This will help a lot to improve your English language. The next step is be consistent. Keep practicing daily and don't be afraid of making mistakes because they are the opportunities to learn. Because if you make a mistake, then it's a part of learning. So, my dear friends, don't be afraid of making mistakes. It is called the improvement in your English language. The next step is which you should follow. Believe yourself. Yes, you heard it right. If you believe that you can achieve your desirable goal in English language, then you will definitely do that. So always believe yourself and keep practicing, because when you practice, you will get the result definitely. So in 2025, if you want to improve your English language journey and if you want to learn English, so by combining all these practices, you will definitely achieve your goal and you will be able to speak and improve your English. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.